In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can buy your hosting from Hostinger with a special discount link. So guys, what you have to do is simply click on the link in the description and you will be landed over here. So I will also tell two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get additional discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. So you can see once you land on a special discount link page, you can see a special discount deal running right now. If you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger is being recommended by almost every famous website on the internet, including Trustpilot, Google, HostAdvice, WBeginner. All of them say that Hostinger is an amazing company with 4 reviews ranging from 4.7, 4.6 or 4.8 out of 5, which are just mind-blowing. And you can see that the 30 days money back guarantee is also available with all of the hosting plans at Hostinger. And if you scroll below, you can see that these are the 3 most popular plan at Hostinger. And if you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger do not compromise on being the fastest, secure and most reliable hosting company all around in the world. And you can create websites in seconds through the powerful Hostinger AI website builder. And you're also getting free domain with all of the annual plans at Hostinger. And if you scroll below, you can see that website migration is very easy. So when you buy your hosting from Hostinger and want to come from another hosting company to Hostinger, they have a special dedicated tool plus support which is going to help you in this process. Whether you have one website or 100, their support is going to help you, and that too free of cost. And if you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger dashboard is super easy, super friendly. Even a newbie or a beginner can operate it. And Hostinger also do not compromise on being speed, reliability and efficiency. Plus you have option of local data centers all around in the world and full speed with 24/7 support, again making it a very preferred option to opt for. And the security features are just mind-blowing. You are getting automatic backups, SSL security certificates, DDoS attack prevention with Cloudflare protected name servers. And right now 3 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company. And if you want to buy your hosting from Hostinger with a special discount, make sure again to click on the link in the description and choose either of this plan. You can get this discount on any plan, but I recommend you guys to simply select the see all features and do a thorough research of all the function features before you select any plan. So after your search, simply select the choose plan with any plan as per your convenience. So once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page where you can see the summary, and you can see that this is a limited time deal running right now to buy. Now choose your billing period. So the 48 months come with the 3 months extra free, so make sure to offer this. After this, select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link to buy. After this, apply over here and you're going to see that your price got a further discount on already running discount deal. Now there is another coupon code. It is with the name of HI10. Simply select the apply over here and you're going to see that your price got a further discount to buy. After this, simply select the continue over here. Once you select the continue, you will be redirected to the final page. Here you can see your order summary. And you can see that the 30 days money back guarantee is also being included. Now select write your billing details. After you write your billing details, simply select the continue over here. Once you select the continue, move on to your payment method. Hostinger offer a variety of payment methods, so you can choose any as per your convenience to buy your hosting from Hostinger with a special discount deal. So let's say we're going to the credit card. Simply select the credit card, write your billing details and simply select the submit button. That's how easily you can buy your hosting from Hostinger with special discount. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to get this amazing deal with Hostinger. So good luck.